Welcome to the Perspective page in GoalEnvision. The Perspective page provides you with information about the goals and conditions related to the strategic perspective you are currently focusing on. Here, you'll gain a comprehensive view of your goals and their progression through the magic diagram. This magic diagram showcases your goals and their historical results, all cleverly converted into percentages for easy comparison. By toggling specific goals on or off, you can focus on the ones that matter most to you. You can uncover connections between your goals and monitor their progress. Discover correlations that reveal cause and effect relationships in your business operations. Hover over any dot in the magic diagram to see the exact results for that specific period. Below the magic diagram, you will find tabs for each goal in this perspective. Click on a tab to view the details of that goal. You will see the goal's name and any description it may have. On the left side, there are two diagrams showing the progress of the goal. The first diagram illustrates the results in relation to the ambition level, similar to the magic diagrams above. On the right, you can see the goal's progress in actual numbers. You will also find information about who is responsible for the goal and the unit to which the responsible person belongs. Click on the person's name to view all commitments this individual has in the overall strategy. In the commitment card, you will see all the actions and relationships that person is connected to. This may include goals, reporting metrics, and participation in surveys. Click on any link to navigate to a specific page for more information. Let's go back to the Perspective page. Beneath each goal, you will find the goal conditions that need to be met in order to achieve that goal. These conditions are indicated by a traffic light, red, yellow, or green to show their current status. By clicking on any condition, you can view more details about it on the left-hand side of the screen. You can track the historical progress of the condition month by month. Here, you will also find any discussions and activities related to this condition. Depending on your permission level, you may discover additional links in both the Goal section and the Conditions section. These links can provide more detailed information and allow you to explore further aspects such as report comments. The Perspective page is designed to provide a comprehensive overview of your strategic goals and specific conditions in full screen mode. It is ideal for displaying on a large screen during meetings or using as a study tool to enhance your business strategy refinement process. Thanks for watching.